Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us solve a problem in which they gave the activity, the optimistic time, the most likely time, and the pessimistic time. Okay, and they are asking to draw the activity diagram, to calculate the critical path, to calculate the project completion time, and to calculate the variance. So this is all the details which is given in the question, guys. Okay, so just to give me a second, I'll be taking a piece of paper and we can start solving, guys. If possible, you also please take a piece of paper, guys, because these problems are really easy to solve. If you understand them once, you can solve them really easily, guys. That is the major advantage with this topic. Okay, and we can expect a question from these topics, right? Okay, so basically he gave some activities, right? Yes. So what is the first question he gave to draw the activity diagram? So even though if he gives some other thing, first of all draw the activity diagram, guys, because it's really easy and you can draw it within a minute also, within a minute or less. Okay, yes. So first of all take the first activity, guys. So the first activity is a 1 from 1 to 2, right? So from 1 you can go to 2. Okay, similarly what is the second activity is 1 to 6. Okay, so from 1 only you can go to 6 also. Let us continue. From 2 to you can go to 3. Okay, let us continue. From 2 to you can go to 4. Okay, continue. From 3 you can go to 5. Okay, nice. From 4 you can go to 5. Okay, so these two are combining. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, from 6 you can go to 7, right? Yes, from 6 let us go to 7. Okay, from 5 you can go to 8. Okay, from 7 you can go to 8. Okay, so these are all the activities which are given, right? Yes. So if you just make sure that you are writing arrows, guys. I think I forgot to draw them. Sorry for that, because there is a particular flow, right? Yes. So please make sure that you are drawing the arrows also. So this is nothing but your activity diagram, guys. That's it. Is there anything twist in this, guys? Nothing, right? It's really simple. So based on the starting point, you'll be starting and you'll be just moving as per the flow. That's it. So as per the input which is given. Okay. So now your question will be, okay, so now, okay, sorry for that. So now we are clear with it, but how we can calculate the rest of the things and why is this whole part given for us then? Why, when there is no need, right? So basically to calculate the critical path and the completion time and variance, you need other values, guys. Okay, so this is a formula that you should remember, guys. So we will be calculating two things, guys. The first thing is a mean, and then we will be calculating the variance, guys. Okay, so these are the two calculations which we will be doing based on the table values, guys. Please remember that. Okay, so in a table he might be giving optimistic time, most likely time, and pessimistic time, or sometimes he will be giving only O, like TO or O or anything. So which starts with O. O means optimistic time. Remember in that way, guys, because in examinations he might confuse you wantedly. Okay, similarly he might give a TM or M, so that is nothing but most likely time. Okay, similarly pessimistic, that is nothing but a TP or P. Okay, got it? Yes. So the formula for mean is nothing but a TO plus a 4 TM plus a TP. Okay, so basically here you will be multiplying 4 with our most likely time, guys. That's it. Remember in that way. Okay, so I remembered in that way the formula. Okay, so you can remember in any way, but make sure that you don't confuse, guys. Okay, yes. And remember one more thing, don't blindly follow the rows. So don't always think that the middle row will be multiplied with 4. So in sometimes in the next question only, he wantedly gave the reverse order. So he just shuffled this part. Okay, so here he gave the most likely time. So that is the reason why always, sorry, on the third row he gave. Okay, third column. Okay, yes. So that is the reason why please make sure that you are perfect with this terminology, guys. Okay, yes. So TO plus 4 TM plus TP. Okay, so here luckily it is in the exact order. So here you will be multiplying 2 plus 6 into 4 plus 14. 2 plus 6 into 4 plus 14 divided by 6. So you'll be getting an answer. So in this way you will be solving for each and every path, guys. So basically here there is no weight associated, right? So your question is, so how will we calculate the weight? So this mean is nothing but your weights, guys. Okay, so basically let us solve for one or two things, okay, so that you'll be having a clear idea. So assume that you started at here and you calculated for all. So now you are confused at here, guys. So 4 to 5. So go to table 4 to 5. So here we are having a 2, 5 and 15. So this is optimistic time. So directly adding. So 2 plus most likely. So into 4. 2 plus 5 into 4 plus 15 by 6. So this is nothing but your value for 4, 5, guys. So that's what the value, and you'll be getting the value. So in this way you'll be solving. I hope everyone can solve it, right? Yes. So once you solve this whole part, guys, make sure that you are carrying calci for this examination, guys. Okay, yes. So once you got these values, now let us assign them into our table, guys. Sorry, into our diagram. Okay, so once you assign them, so let me use the previous values and assign them, guys. Okay, I'll be watching from here and I'll be assigning them into our diagram. Okay, so just give me a second, I'll be taking some other pen. Okay, I'll be taking a sketch. Okay, yes, so here we are saying it is a 6.6, right? Okay, let me use that green only better. Okay, here it is a 6.6. Okay, after that 1 to 6 I am saying it is 5.33. Okay, from 2 to 3 I am saying it is a 13.166, right? Yes. Similarly 2 to 4 I am saying it is a 4.16. Okay, similarly from 3 to 5 I am saying 11. From 4 to 5 I am saying 6.16. Okay, from 6 to 7 I am saying it is a 10.66. From 5 to 8, okay, it is a 3.16. Okay, so at the end from 7 to 8 we are saying it is 14.83. so in this way you will be calculating for each and every one and you will be updating in your diagram, guys. Okay, so once the updation is done, so you already know where you are starting and where you are ending, right? So you might be having a question, so how did you say, how did you know? You might be having a question, right? Yes, so just by observing the diagram you can say, guys, so where is the starting point? This is the starting point indirectly, right? Basically if you start here you can reach to every point, right? So hence it is the starting point. Similarly, where is the ending point? Wherever you start, where you are going to end at the rate 8, so that is the ending point. So in this way you can identify, guys. Okay, yes, so now I also identified that 1 to 8 is the starting and ending point. So your thing now is that you need to calculate the path cost, guys. So 1 to 8, how many ways can I go? I can go from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5 and 5 to 8. Okay, so this is one possibility. Similarly 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 8. This is one possibility. 1 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. This is one possibility. So I'll be calculating for each and every value. So I got these three values. Okay, so among these three values we will be selecting the maximum value, guys. Please remember that. So previously I also thought we should select the minimum value, but we will be always checking the worst case, right? So assume that if someone says to you that he will be delivering the project for you on this date, so he will be adding some dates to his assumption, right? So if he thought that it will be completed by 10th, he will be saying that I'll be providing you the project by 20th, because there could be some delays and all those things. So that is the reason why we always think of worst cases, guys, whenever we are doing any kind of projects or anything, right? So in the same way we will always here also will be selecting the worst case only. Okay, yes, so now we got the critical path. So whatever path which gave you this amount, please do double arrow for it, guys. So basically you will be drawing one more arrow below it. Okay, yes, so now you are done with the critical path calculation. So you got the value and this is your critical path. So now what we are done, guys? We are done with the network diagram, critical path and project completion time. So basically the time which you got is nothing but the completion from this value. So basically most commonly it will be they will be giving you the units, guys, like weeks, years, months, days, like that. Okay, so here they gave days, I think so. Just give me a second. Okay, so here in the table they mentioned, so estimated duration in days. So that is the reason why I took days. So if sometimes they want to have some fun with us, so they will not give the names. So in that time you write unit time, guys. So it is based on that particular unit according to them. Okay, yes. So now you are done with all the things except variance. So now your question will be, what is the formula for variance? Okay, yes. So the variance formula is really easy if you ask me to remember. Okay, so variance is equals to TP minus TO. So your question will be, so how it is easy, right? Yes. So it is nothing but I hope everyone knows about TPO, right? Okay, yes. So TPO in every college it will be, he will be there, right? Training placement officer, right? Yes. So TPO. So TPTO in between minus, that's it, simple. Divided by 6. Thus divided by 6 will be common for both the formulas, guys. Okay, yes. So you will be calculating again for each and everything and then you will be updating it in the table, guys. So basically in the table itself, draw two more columns, rows and write in them, guys. So I wrote it for next question. I'll be showing it just for an example. So in this way, here I wrote, see, mains and variance. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about the problem solving, right? So this is the variance, guys. So now you are done with the problem, right? Guys, whenever these kind of questions come in your examination, please solve it step by step, guys. Only then the evaluator can understand that you solved it. Else, if you just draw this table, it might be just from your friend, you can just see and write, right? So there are only 10 values. It will take around 1 minute to write. That's it, right? So that is the reason why please solve it step by step. Okay, yes. So in the next lecture, we will be going through one more example, which I solved directly. Okay, so I did not solve it step by step. I'll be just giving you an overview about this problem. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.